Hey guys, in this video I will walk you through the 10 most commonly used words for IELTS writing and speaking, which could not only augment your vocabulary but could also have a significant impact on your IELTS score. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. Prevalent or pervasive. Something which is very common or widespread. For example, there is the prevalence of obesity among teenagers because of their sedentary lifestyle. Inevitable. Something which is unavoidable or certain. For example, as the dark clouds loomed overhead, I realized the rain was inevitable. Commotion or disturbance. A state of confused or noisy disturbance. For example, the children are making a lot of commotion in the absence of their teacher. Augment or supplement. Make something greater by adding to it. For example, he augmented his summer income by painting houses. Imminent or impending. Something which is about to happen. For example, even though Sarah had been bit by a snake, she was not in imminent danger because the snake was not venomous. Scrutinize or inspect. Examining something critically. For example, her purpose was to scrutinize his behavior to see if he was an honest man. Fascinating or captivating. Extremely interesting. For example, Madagascar is the most fascinating place I have ever been to. Ecstatic or blissful. When you are extremely happy. For example, during my vacation, there was nothing more blissful than lying by the pool. Gloomy or dejected. When you are very sad. For example, I felt completely dejected when I couldn't clear the exam in my first attempt. Abate or subside. To make something less intense. For example, the firemen sprayed water on the burning house to abate the structural damage. So guys, these were 10 most commonly used words for IELTS writing and speaking. I'm pretty sure that if you're going to memorize them thoroughly, they are certainly going to boost up your score. Now, if you like this video, then don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe my channel, because in this way I get motivated to make more and better content for you. I also recommend you to watch my Idioms for IELTS and IELTS listening series in order to improve your score. This is the end for this video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep smiling and keep practicing.